video. In this video, I will show you how to fix if keeps crashing on Infinix GT50 Pro. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and click on this icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end, click on system and click on reset phone. Reset all settings, click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is factory reset. Click on settings app, scroll down to end, click on system and click on reset phone and factory reset. Enter phone and click on erase all data. Enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if keeps crashing on Infinix GT50 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.